Which one is it? Which one is that? Is that Ringo?
The sun is out.
The sun just came out.
Is he scared? What's going on here?
Scared for some.
Okay. Oh, it's a slow motion roll in the mud.
Look at the fog going across the road.
Wow.
It's like a cloud, buddy.
That's crazy.
Ooh, very.
Wow.
We're in the clouds. I'm on cloud 9. You guys ever heard that saying before? On cloud 9 means you're happy.
Just had to come out here because our TPMS said that this wheel was 311 degrees. Feels the same as the other one. So now we gotta figure out what we're supposed to do. I think he's resetting it to see if it'll re-register.
Right now, I don't have any of them registering yet. Front right just showed up 112. I still want to call them
Yeah.
and see if we can find out why. So, I mean, for it to jump 200 degrees
Yeah.
in a matter of 2 minutes, because like I said, it cycles every 2 minutes. So for it to jump 200 plus degrees, that's pretty crazy.
Okay.
All right, we'll keep an eye on it.
I think you've picked up some signal interference that caused that to go up like that. I've heard of it a couple of times. That display is very powerful, and if there's a military installation or something else, an airport or something around where you went through,
A UFO?
We're broadcasting a signal. A UFO, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to write that on my notes. If something was broadcasting on our same frequency, which is 433 megahertz, and if that display picked it up, it can give you that, I think it gave you that reading. It may never happen to you again, but I know how scary it is when that does happen. So
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry that happened.
Well,
But
we're
I
fairly
think
new too, so okay.
Yeah, I really think that's what it is. I think it was just a random signal that it happened to pick up. And you would have a completely blown out tire at that temperature.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking
temperatures are manufactured at about 200 degrees, so
Okay.
you'd
Okay.
have pieces of rubber all over.
Yeah, well, that's good to know.
Good.
Okay.
All right. Well, I think we're good for now. If it happens again, please be sure and let us know so we can address it. But I think you're okay.
Okay, sounds good. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Michael. All right.
All right.
Bye now.
Bye-bye. This is where we're staying. Look at this.
Look at this, you
These are all
guys.
grapes. This is all grapes.
pond, I mean. Do you want to walk all the way down there?
Yeah.
Okay. walking fast. Kind of live with nature. It's all the way as tall as you. Cool, huh? Nice little pond. You know what we could do if we had all this stuff, we could fish in here, but all we have are fishing poles. We don't have all the other stuff yet. Ellen's malfunctioning. Oh, there he goes. Uh-oh.
I don't know, are they, do you see any grapes on them? No grapes yet? No? Oh, wait. Look, here they are.
What? That's wait, tiny, what? tiny little grapes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's some beetles.
Which one is it? Which one is that? Is that Ringo?
That's actually a pretty cool shot.
That's what they'll end up looking like. Look. That's so cool.
They're not even moving.
The sun is out.
The sun just came out.
The sun just came out.
The sun will come out
tomorrow. What happened? Is he scared? What's going on here?
He's scared for some reason.
I want you to.
Ellen, I'm not gonna drop you. No, I'm not gonna.
Yes.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Maybe when we're not the 350 square foot.
You guys ready to go to the next place?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Do you know?
Trenton.
Not Trenton. We're going to Tifton, Georgia today. And tomorrow, Trenton. Yeah, Tifton, Georgia. All right, we are headed out of this Harvest Host Hodges Winery and Vineyard in Camp Hill, Alabama. It's kind of close to Auburn. So we're headed out of here, and it's been beautiful. I mean, last night it was really gloomy, but today is sunny. The sun is out. We don't have to worry about the rain anymore. We are so excited, and now we are headed about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours away. At least that's without traffic or whatever, to Tifton, Georgia, to the KOA Journey. So we will see you there.
Here it comes, Kelvin. Here it comes, Presley.
It's gonna be state number 2.
When we cross this water.
Georgia state line, right there.
State line is the water.
Pretty. That. Those are the islands. There's islands out
Look at
there.
that big rock, right?
It sure is. It's very bumpy.
Entering Eastern Time Zone.
During Eastern Time Zone. All right, state number 2. We are here.
Look, guys. Both sides.
This is Dawson, Georgia. It's like a very old.
Is this where they filmed Dawson's Creek?
Maybe.
There is a pool.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. Look good?
Yeah, so sewer's right here. That's a good spot in between.
Yeah.
Water and electric are right here. So let me get skis. Let's check this electric.
Okay.